Colonialism, capitalism, segregated, underrated. Can you relate? The country you live in doesn't want you or your kin, even though the only reason you here is their boats on your shores. They got me locked up in disillusion, trapped in a prison of confusion. Set me free. My words will bring me peace. Cease fire in my mind. Yeah, you can't silence me. I'ma crush you down harder. Best run back to your mama. Go ahead, ring the alarm. Ain't nobody here doing you any bodily harm. Still, it'll feel like I'm robbing you blind, killing you softly, as I unify what you spent centuries to divide. Colonialism, capitalism, segregated, underrated. Can you relate? See, this is what you create with the hate you gave. I'ma be what you fear. Conquer this insanity. Reflect reality like Nina Simone. I'ma speak truth into that microphone. No blade as sharp as my tongue. Verbs, nouns, every word I say will shake the ground. Second class citizens, kings and queens be coming. Can I pick it up on the drums, please? Colonialism, capitalism, segregated, underrated. Can you relate? I said colonialism, capitalism, segregated, underrated. Can you relate? Colonialism, capitalism, segregated, underrated. Can you relate? As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize I took it for all it had, not a chance I left. No longer will these rhymes, these lyrics, these sentences speak to what I think. From the bottom to the top, there's only one way up, cause we know a rose can grow out of concrete. Now picture me rolling. Can you see me now? Am I clear enough for you? Oh yeah, all eyes on me. Go ahead, call the police. See, they ain't got none on me, cause I just be using my freedom of speech to build my power community. Deeply rooted, sipping some undiluted love and truth like gin and juice. The serum that'll be the end of you and the beginning of we. So I said, colonialism, capitalism, nah, motherfucker, I won't relate to your hate. Okay, say it with me. Colonialism, capitalism, segregated, underrated. Can you relate? Can you relate? All right, thank you very much. Give it up for that. Can you